This is a video on finding the domain. The question states, find the domain of the vector-valued function. R of t is equal to 1 over t minus 3, I, minus t squared, j, plus the square root of t plus 1, k. So to find the domain of a vector-valued function, we find the domain of each of the three components and then take the intersection. So let's start out with the domain of the first component, 1 over t minus 3. So the issue here is that the denominator can't be 0, or that t minus 3 is not equal to 0. So we get that t is not equal to 3. So for the second component, minus t squared, there are no issues. Polynomials have domain all real numbers, so that doesn't restrict the domain. For the third component, the square root of t plus 1, we have to make sure that the inside is greater than or equal to 0 because the square root can't be negative. So t plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So we get that t is greater than or equal to negative 1. So now let's just put this together. The domain is the intersection of all the domains, so we have to make sure that t is not 3 and that t is greater than or equal to 1. So we get the domain of the vector-valued function is the set of all t such that t is not equal to 3 and t is greater than or equal to negative 1. And I'm done with the problem.